each day we look at one block on the map and we answer the questions. We read, if you have the book, we read the part from the book that relates to that part of the map. And then you condense those answers to make it as short and, make it short, put it on a Post-it note, put it on the map, and then we move on to the next day. There is, in the book, I do say set a timer so that you don't spend hours or you don't spend a long time trying to, look for guidance and reasons. Just get it done, set the timer. And if you get to the end of that timer and you don't have the answers, then we still move on the next day. And the idea of going through this method is so that you can see where you have perfect clarity in your business and the areas that you may need to get support with. Either find someone who can help you with that area, or maybe you've not been spending enough attention there. So it's to use this as a working tool. Don't get hung up on doing it right, because there's no right way. It's supposed to be a creative method of planning. And also, don't worry about how other people are doing theirs, but I will share with you some tips, and I'm here to answer questions if you get stuck. Yeah.